Okay, good morning, everybody. My name is Excel. I'm going to be showing you how to connect to the MetaTrader 5 using Python. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new folder, a new file, a new Jupyter notebook file. First thing I'm going to import and run the file I created earlier that essentially stores my logins and API keys. Jupyter notebook file. I think this is it. It's Binance underscore. Yeah, there's an underscore. Run this. Next, I import MetaTrader. I import MetaTrader 5 library. Okay. Now I instantiate it. So essentially, I'm connecting to the library now, the MetaTrader API. Okay. If it does not connect, I want to print an error message to show me that it does not connect. So I'm going to say not connected to API. Connected to API. Then I'll print out the error. This should be outside of the string. Yeah, go. Okay. Then I want to quit this connection, then restart it again. So if it connects, I want to show us the version of MT5 we are running, so we know if it actually connected. Okay. Let's run this. Let's see. Yeah, it's connected. Let me call the function connected. So the next thing I'll do is I'll log in, provide my password, and log in. I'll create a variable. Put in my username to send my username, then my password, then the server name. I'm using a trial, an external trial server, so I'm going to be putting that. Trial. Yeah, I think that is it. Now put in my timeout. Put it for a minute. Set it to a minute. Okay, now I'm going to print out my account details. So okay, I'll set the account information, create a variable called AC information info is equals to metatrader5 dot account info dot dictionary for properties in this account info. I'm setting as dictionary, dictionary, so I should name it appropriately. Always name your variables so you would know what they do. I'll say I'll print out each variable. Now format it and I'll put the property name and its respective value. So, okay, let's run this. What comes up next? Okay, let me add if I don't connect to this, then I'll print out unable to connect to print. Able to connect to my accounts. Error. Yeah, go. Add the error. Accounts, error 95 dot last error. I think this should work now. Okay, I think it should work now. Let's try it again. Yes, these are my details. Worked perfectly. I made a mistake with the server earlier.